is 3:33 a.m. So our day begins now. Today is gonna be a long day, so we are going to Amsterdam! Basically, Baz surprised me with a trip to Amsterdam, so we're going to Amsterdam. We have an hour flight to Amsterdam. We should be arriving in Amsterdam at 9 a.m. and yeah, are you excited? Let's go! We are now in Amsterdam. We just dropped off our bag at our hotel. So the thing about our hotel is it is a horse hotel. It's a horse themed hotel. And the thing about that is we don't have money. Actually, it was cheap by you, but like the horse hotel was the cheapest option at the time. The room is going to be interesting. We don't check in until 2. We just went there to drop off our bag. Came in, there's a big picture of a horse, so so I am very hungry. It's not that cold actually, England's colder. Yeah. And so we're going to head to the food Hallen, which is a 14-minute walk, which is not bad because it's not that cold. Yeah, let's eat. My face is very cold. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, what's the time? I realize it's quiet because it's really early in the morning, right? But it's pretty.
It opens at 10, I'm sure. I'm sure it was open by this time.
Let's go in. This place used to be, was it a tram station? We're trying to locate the Hallen.
Kantoren. Now is the Allen studio. Kantoren.
Oh, okay.
Richtug Schilders.
Yeah, I think it's pronounced just like that.
Of course.
But yeah, we're trying to find number 13.
Which was the bowl. Yeah.
Yeah, that kind of lost and my ears hurt because they're too cold.
To be fair, it's probably just...
So we are now right outside the food Hallen. We were just watching people try to open the door because it was closed, but it is now open. But in the last 45 minutes we walked to Lidl, got something to eat, little custard cake, little apple pastry thing, pear juice. We're about to head in the food Hallen. The food Hallen.
For food. It's food Hallen. Alright. Go get the pancakes. Everything we want to know, yeah, that's what we get.
We're not even going in.
We're going in. You know, the pancakes in it. We got that. The pang in it. We're gonna get the pancakes in it.
Basically, this is the pancake place we looked up online and we saw a massive queue earlier. There's less of a queue now, but we just want to know for when we actually go. I don't even know when we're going.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, so we are now in the hotel. We checked in and everything. We took a nap and we are here. I didn't really explain anything, so earlier we went and got food at the food Hallen. I'm running out of battery. So we had bull and dogs.
I got it out Mexican.
You got whole Mexican. I don't know what I got, but it was like a lamb hot dog. It was nice, a bit spicy though. And then afterwards we went to a museum, but I don't think I'm gonna really show much of that because I'd just probably get demonetized for that.
Yeah.
And then it was very interesting, very weird, very different.
What was it called? Just Sex
Just called Sex Museum.
Yeah.
But it was funny actually.
Yeah, there was like exhibits that will try to scare you.
Yeah, that was the
All
funniest
that
thing.
business,
Yeah.
yeah.
After that, we just came here and we just literally knocked out. So we just got up. Later, we are going to the light festival. So there's that, and we're gonna have a canal cruise. Like, it's half open, and so it's gonna be quite cold. Like I was saying before, we are staying in a horse hotel, a horse themed hotel. This is what happens when you are on a budget. So this is what is above our beds. Look how massive that is. Baz is a big guy, but you look so small compared to that. Like, it's huge. So yeah, we're gonna be having to sleep underneath that. I'm done with horses, with horse people from uni. Like, then there's to top it off, it's just like it's like you don't leave.
Talking about the horses.
Yeah. Fun story, my first year housemate loved horses. In his room, just a load of pictures of his horse. I'm sorry if you really like horses, but there was a load of pictures of his horse. He had a mug of his horse, personalized mug of his horse. He had a frame in his room with, you know, the picture frames when there's loads of photos in the frame. It was just him and his horse. They had a photo shoot together. And then I thought I escaped that from uni because there's a lot of horse people at uni. Basically, what I'm just saying, you just can't get away from them. So there is the horse. There is Baz. So these are the beds. The blankets are nothing. It was so cold in here.
Under
The pillows are just
They're square.
yeah. A cube, a fake wooden cube going along here. It's a bit. Oh, TV, some horse hook. The bathroom though is the nicest thing. So the bathroom, here you got the toilet, the shower, the mirror. I feel like the bathroom is the only thing that really, like, other than that, like, because I'm not a big fan. Yeah, and for me, hotel rooms, you need a good bathroom. Good bathroom and clean. I mean, this isn't that clean. But like, in about a few minutes, we're going to be heading to our Light Festival cruise. Light Festival cruise. Let's go. What's this? What is it?
New season.
New season? Yeah.
Yellow goods.
Well, what are they called? What are they called?
We call it the clock. Get the shoe, get the shoe.
Oh yeah. Oh. Okay.
That's right. It's a damn square.